Man, I love when the... Hi! Awkward high five. That's a unique entrance. When you come from the abyss, you expect a person, but sometimes they're not there.
Yeah, I was trying to hide from you and surprise you, and it seems like it worked.
Make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe. Awkward high five. Make sure you do the pyramid scheme because there's a Miata for you to win. Today, we have met the unfortunate need where the Cayenne GTS, the Cayman, and the Macan S all need an oil change at the exact same time.
Yeah, it seems like it might be a little expensive, so we're gonna bring you along and talk to you about how expensive it is to maintain 3 different Porsches.
So the only thing other than oil change is the Cayenne needs an oil level sensor, which I've been told is super easy, so I ordered that for $100, and Magic Mike's gonna put that in. And we do have a wheel hub noise, and we'll see if that's gonna get fixed or not. But come along with us and share in our misery.
Make sure to click like, this is gonna be expensive.
Would you like to win our Miata? Well, today I'm gonna tell you just how to do that. If we make it to 10,000 subscribers on YouTube by May of 2024, which is our 5-year YouTube anniversary, it's gonna be given to one of you lucky subscribers.
Wait!
So make sure to subscribe. Another unboxing!
We're doing more unboxing?
Welcome back to the channel, Awkward High Five. Remember we said in a couple videos ago that the wheel hub assembly is making a little bit of noise?
I don't think we said it, I think they heard it.
Well, today we're gonna fix that, and we have an oil level sensor issue. That's what this guy is. Today we're gonna fix it, come along. This one's gonna be really easy. You wanna know why? We got a secret weapon.
Oh, we do?
Magic Mike.
Oh!
Man, that thing still looks so good. Say goodbye to the Cayenne. Say hello to a Panamera 4S. That looks pretty good. And let's go cruising in the Cayman. This is starting to be kind of expensive.
Sure is.
Man, 3 cars in 3 days at Magic Mike's is a little bit intense as far as the planning goes. I got a good story about the Cayenne and the wheel bearing. Other than that, we're on to the 3rd car getting an oil change. We're doing pretty good. Stay tuned for the results here because I'm going to let you know how much it costs to maintain 3 Porsches for you people over 1 week. I absolutely love being a Porsche-centric automotive YouTube channel, but there's a few things that I want to complain about.
So he turns on the camera and just doesn't tell me what we're talking about. I know that the video's about our cars getting, you know, oil changes and maintenance.
So here's the deal. The few things are this. When all 3 Porsches require maintenance at the same time, it's a logistical nightmare.
I want to point out this is a guy that has a few Porsches that's complaining.
So first world problems, I get it. We are extremely fortunate. But the first is logistics of getting all 3 to get maintenance within 3 days.
It's difficult to get all the cars there and just switching out the cars.
And I'm only going to complain about one more thing. I guess I don't even know we're going to get to this at the end of this video, but assumably what we've done in the past 3 days is fairly expensive.
No, it can't be. I'm sure it's super cheap to maintain 3 cars in 1 week.
But to be fair, driving Porsches for you guys, and mostly for us, on a daily basis is one of the funnest things that we've ever done. They are reliable. They just get expensive from time to time. Let's go pick up the 3rd and final Porsche. Probably, to you, the most fun one.
Yeah.
The Cayman. And let's go wrap up the video, tell them how much it costs to maintain these 3 cars.
Here I am, sitting, driving behind my car because, as you would guess, Chris took the keys and decided he wanted to drive my car instead of me. But I don't get to sit behind it very often and watch it drive. I think this might be the first time. And it looks phenomenal. With the windows down, you can hear it and it sounds phenomenal. So whatever the resulting price is of this video, I know for me, totally worth it to spend that money on these cars because, ho ho! I didn't even mention the smell. It smells so good. If you haven't driven a car like this and you're trying to figure out why we like them so much, I recommend you go drive one because it's just another experience that you don't really realize you're missing out on until you've driven it.
Oh, I was trying to sneak up on you.
I could hear like this rustling from the shoes as he came out of the abyss, and thankfully he didn't get to scare me like I did to him.
Okay, so logistically, it was not an issue, just it was
A nightmare.
yeah, a logistical nightmare. So the Cayenne, we decided the wheel hub just started going out. So Magic Mike, he did all of his magical stuff and said like, you can change right now with $700, but it's like just starting and it's probably gonna be okay for quite some time. So we're gonna hold off on that for a minute.
How much was it?
So
All in.
For the oil change, the oil filter is $28.60. The 0W40 oil, $118.53, 9 quarts of oil. And then this one needs the oil drain plug gasket. That was $1.72. And then he had an hour of labor to put in the oil level sensor because apparently it wasn't just like plug and play. They had to like take off, like, I don't know if it was the subframe or like a little piece, but all in for the Cayenne today, we're looking at $360.48.
$360.48 doesn't sound terrible with what you got done to it, but it isn't cheap.
My wallet's lighter. I feel lighter. What do you got for the Cayman?
So I'm gonna give you my parking ticket. No, so actually the car wasn't nearly as expensive. It costed a total of $40.66 for my oil filter. And then it costed $105.36 for my oil change, or the oil itself.
Total?
Total was $194.79.
Let's add that up right here. So, thirdly, we had the Macan. Not so bad, I don't think. We had oil filter $24.99 and the oil was $118.53, 9 quarts again. This was $192.03. Did I beat you?
You did beat me.
Ha
I guess it's cheaper to own an SUV than a sports car.
All right, so it was a little bit unfortunate that all three of them came to at the same time. That's usually not how we space them out, but just from our driving and whatnot, that's what ended up happening. It seems like an expensive bill, but take one away from the other, and it actually isn't really that bad.
Yep.
We do that maybe...
I would say every one of these cars gets a minimum of 2 oil changes a year.
And we do change with full synthetic Mobil 1 oil.
Exactly what the cars call for.
Every 5,000 miles, which is way preventative, but we consider engine oil to be like the blood in our body, and we want it to be good. Right?
Can I get a blood change?
I'm gonna need one after this. About fainted. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. I hope this has helped. But that is the general oil change cost that we spend. Granted, oil right now is a little bit more expensive, so we have had it be a lot cheaper and had it be a little bit more expensive.
If I'm not mistaken, we didn't tell them the total price.
Oh, what was it?
If my quick math is anything good,
Which is right here.
it was $737.30.
Exclamation point would go on that side. Thank you guys for tuning in. We hope that you subscribe so you can win our Miata next May, or don't subscribe and then we get to keep the Miata. I don't know. Whatever. Awkward high five. Make sure you guys click like, comment, subscribe. We'll see you soon.
We would rather you subscribe than not because...
But I kind of want to keep the Miata.